Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So this review, I always get excited, when I do reviews on shoes that I've never owned, always wanted as a kid, never was able to grab a pair. So this is one of those shoes that, I never had as a kid, I always wanted. And, they re-released recently and I finally was able to grab a pair. So I'm eager to see what these look like in hand and even better on feet. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're into fits and kicks, you're in the right place. All my OGs and day ones, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all the support. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, review, and on feet. So as you see in the title of the video and the thumbnail, these are the Air Griffey ones, King Griffey Jr. I don't know if, I might have people that's like young and don't know who he was, but he's a Hall of Famer, baseball player. The Seattle Mariners originally, he played for a few teams, but King Griffey back in the day, he was that guy. He was one of those athletes. He was up there for me, like with a Deion Sanders, Bo Jackson, all those guys. He was like a pioneer, in my opinion, of the profession of baseball, especially being a black baseball player. It's special to see him do his thing. So here's the box. We got a regular Nike OG box for this release, and I am not mad at that. I can see why they went with the OG box. This is a OG classic. And on this side, got the Nike at the top. And here's the sizing label right there. So let me read that to you. Air Griffey Max 1 Black Multicolored Freshwater. So these are called the Freshwaters. And they have other colorways as well. I would like to see them bring back the black, white, and red pair. That's dope. I will cop those if they bring those back. And I went with a size 10. Here's the thing on sizing. I guess we should go over sizing in this video because I've never had a pair of these. I've never owned a pair of these. So my true to size is a 10.5 normally across the board. I only go down to a size 10 in certain Jordan silhouettes like Jordan 1 lows, most Air 1s, low tops, Air Maxes, anything low top. I normally go with a 10 with the exception of Jordan 6s. And other silhouettes that I have to go down a size, so I went with a size 10 in these because they look kind of bulky. So I'm just going back in the day. I'm just thinking in the 90s shoes were bulky, they fit bigger. I just went with a size 10. I sized down a half a size. So comes with a flip lid, one sheet of paper, and then here are the kicks. Let's take them out. Let's see what else we got in the box, because I know certain sizes like this size did sell out a lot of places. So I want to see if there's anything in the box that you should be aware of if you're getting off the secondary market. There's no green stickers or anything like that. The only thing I really see is like a red stamp right there, red numbers and stamp. Other than that, I don't see anything else in the box that you can actually detail. But that's enough for the box. Now, let's get into the kicks. Whew. All right, let me just take a look at them. This is like the first time I really held them in hand and seen them. Yeah, these are fire, man. Yeah, man. Sometimes them OG kicks, man. Them 90s, the kicks from the 90s, man. Sometimes they just hit different, man. Especially when you're an adult now and you always wanted them as a kid. Definitely hits different. Whew. All right, cool. Yeah, these are fire. Yeah, these are fire, man. These probably stay in the collection. So without further ado, let's get into the Nike Air Griffey Max 1 Freshwater.
Rob Rachmaninoff.
All right, cool. So let's get into the review, man. I'm just looking at them again. These are fire, man. I've seen all the other colorways they have. Yeah, I might have to double back and grab some other colorways, but let's start with the outsole. The outsole, you have that combination of white, freshwater green, black and red swoosh right there in the middle. And right here it's like a plate. It's kind of, it looks like a basketball, like on fire, things of that nature. So it's you got that freshwater green and white. So that's pretty dope. That's a pretty cool design. Nikes did have some nice designs on the bottom of their shoes, man, even with the Jordans and the Air Maxes. So moving up to the upper, you got a black midsole, combination of black and white midsole with these little panels that highlight the, so I believe this is like an Air Max. That's why they say Air Griffey Max 1. So if you see, you got the clear air units here, and right here on the heel of the shoe. And it's the clear bubbles, and it looks like almost like a sail type of air unit inside of there. You can see there. I don't know if that's coming in clear, but I do like the little white hits right here that you have right above. It's almost, I call them like the, what would I call these? Like the shades to a window. It's like the shades going on top of the air bubbles. Moving to the upper, you got this smooth jet black nubuck mixed with that freshwater green and nubuck as well. So the whole upper is all nubuck. The only thing that's leather is the swoosh right here on the front. And this swoosh right here on the front is a tumbled leather swoosh. So very, very nice in white. Other than that, the whole upper is a smooth nubuck. You got some type perforated designs right here on the sides where the laces are. On the strap, it's a rubber strap, has a 24 in white with a freshwater green mini swoosh and some circles around going across the strap. That's one of the highlights for me of the shoe. On the medial side, if you look closely, it's in black, but you'll see it has the N for Nike, and it goes across the strap and Nike all across the strap. So it starts here with the big N, and then as we move around to the strap, you can see it says Nike. So that's fire. Let me unstrap it real quick. Okay, so I unstrapped it. You can see here on the top of the, well, we got the white laces going down the front, white rope laces, black tongue. On the top of the tongue, you got that. Let me just make sure the strap is not in the way, but you got the red Nike swoosh stitched in right there on the top of the tongue. That's fire. And it's also in the back, white Nike swoosh outlined in that red stitched, all stitched in. You got a little pull tab right here. It's not real big like on like 10s or anything like that, but you got a pull tab right here on the back of the heel. And they do give you shoe trees with these, and it's funny, my shoe tree wasn't even all the way pushed in, and look how small this shoe tree look. That's kind of funny. And I did cop my pair from JD Sports. These are retailing at $180, but I did use $20 for my rewards and got them for $160. So I would advise doing that if they're still available in your size on JD Sports or any other retail website. And the inside, you know, like in the 90s, a lot of these shoes at one point came with this inner booty, kind of like the 8s and the Jordan 7s and the Huaraches. So it does have that inner booty. And it has Nike, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but let me see if I can stretch it. You have Nike Air, you have a black insole, and you have Nike Air in white in the insole as well. Only thing on the back of the tongue is the sizing tag. It doesn't have sizing stickers, but you get the sizing tag on the back of the tongue. I think, in my opinion, these white laces really make the shoe pop. I don't know whose idea that was to go with white laces, but it really makes the white in the shoe pop out a lot more, in my opinion. And on the back of the heel, we do have another clear air bubble with that like cream or sail air unit inside as well. And yeah, these are fire, man. Toe box is dope because it has the swoosh right here, but then it has, you know, it has the smooth round toe box going around the swoosh, man. I just like the whole design of that. It's fire, lateral and medial side. Yeah, these are fire, man. I like these a lot, man. So, you know, I guess before we get into the on foot, let's go ahead and get into sizing. Let's do that. Okay, so here's the on feet as far as sizing. And like I said, I never owned a pair of these, so I just went with a size 10. My true to size in most sneakers is 10 and a half. I went with a size 10 because they look, you know, kind of like on the bulky side just a little bit. But these the fitting, I would say it fits snug. So not snug to a point where it's uncomfortable, but snug to the point where you can rock it, loose lace if you like, and you shouldn't have any problems. You don't have to really strap them up. They already fit kind of tight. So yeah, I think I went with the right size. And as I wear them, I think they'll loosen up a little bit more. But like I said, they fit snug, but not to the point where it's uncomfortable. So yeah, that's what I would suggest for sizing. You can go to true to size if you want just a regular fit, or you can size down and have a size if you want more of a snug fit. So that'll be my recommendations for sizing. So with that being said, let's hop back into the video and get into the on feet. So that was the sizing, and hopefully that helped you out if you have to get them on the secondary market, or if if they're available in the store, go in the store, see if you can try them on if they have them in your size. If not, if you got to order them all offline, just kind of hopefully that'll help you make your decision in sizing. But that'll end off the review. Man, these are super nice. It's something like when you're a kid and you always wanted a shoe but was never able to get them for whatever reason, and then you're an adult, they retro them and they do them right, and you get them and you finally see them in hand and they're dope. It's just a great feeling, man. This is what sneakers all about, man. Just memories and just copping things you wasn't able to get as a kid. Awesome feeling. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the on foot. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate all the support. And until the next video, I'm out.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one, I'm so white this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.